We guide you through how to apply for a PayPal credit card quickly and securely. First thing you need to do is log into your PayPal account on the app or website, then go to the PayPal credit or credit card section. Click Apply Now and fill out the application with your personal information, including your name, address, social security number, and income details. Review the terms and conditions carefully, including interest rates, fees, and rewards, then submit your application. PayPal will perform a credit check and notify you almost immediately if you are approved, declined, or need to provide additional information. Once approved, your PayPal credit card will arrive by email or mail, and you can link it to your PayPal account for online purchases, in store transactions, and easy financing options. Applying through PayPal ensures a secure process and lets you manage your card directly from your PayPal account.